welcome back to the channel, Bright Road to Success, where we make learning easy. So today we're going to be rounding or estimating using expanded form. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pick out a two-digit number. And let's say we have the two-digit number 57, and we want to round this number to the nearest 10. Now, if you don't know how to do expanded form, I will put a video in the comment section that will explain to you how to do expanded form. So here we go. Our first step is to take this number and to put it into expanded form. So we would have 5 10s here, so that would be 50. And then we would have 7 1s, and that would be 7. So now again, we're trying to round or estimate to the nearest 10. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to draw a vertical number line. And since we have written this number in expanded form, this number here, the 10, the number with the 10s in it, we're going to make that what we call our floor. So our floor would be 50. And then we need a number that is our ceiling. Our ceiling would be 10 more than our floor. So if the floor is 50, add 10, so our ceiling becomes 60. And then we have to get our all-important midpoint. The midpoint is the middle between the number 50 and the number 60. So if you think about that, half of 60 would be 55. So that would be our midpoint. Now what we have to do is simply plot this number 57 on our vertical number line. So I'm going to change the color. And now I'm going to plot the number 57 on our number line. Well, if you look at the number line here, you see that I have 50 here. And then the next number, if we were just counting up, would be 51, 52, 53, 54, and 55. Can't plot 57 yet. We have to now go to 56, and then 57 would go right about here. So when we ask the question, what is the nearest 10 to the number 57? The answer would be 60. Okay, you try, and I want you to use the number, let's say 32. Okay, and again, we're rounding or estimating to the nearest 10. Okay, so do you remember the first step? The first step, of course, is to write this number in expanded form. So I'm going to change the color, and I'm going to write this number in expanded form. That's our first step. Our second step is to then draw a vertical number line. Of course, we know that the numbers go up through infinity, and then they decrease through infinity. So now, since we've written this number in expanded form, we're going to take this number and we're going to make that our floor. So our floor is going to be 30. Our ceiling, we would add 10 to 30, so our ceiling would be 40. And then our all-important midpoint, which I'm going to change this color because that's just how important it is, but our all-important midpoint would be halfway between 30 and 40, which would be 35. So now all we simply have to do is to, again, plot this number on our number line. So the number is 32. So I would start down here at my floor and just start counting up. Here would be 30, here would be 31, and of course, here would be 32. So then again, if you ask the question, what is the closest 10 or nearest 10 to the number 32? Our answer would be 30. All right, hopefully you did it right. Please subscribe to the channel, click the like button and the bell, and come back and see us next time on Bright Road to Success. See you next time.